Let me show you how to use split screen on any Google Pixel phone. So first things first, simply open the apps you want to use in this mode. So simply open them, and then we are going to go on our open apps, so the background apps running. And you see over here, if I click this thing over here, I have this option for the split screen. But before you actually click this, also you have to decide which app you will want to place on the top and also which one on the bottom. So the one you will place on the top, you will simply open first. So select this one, split screen, and then select the second app you want on the bottom. So let's select calculator, for example, and you see I have both apps in the background and I can freely interact with both them. Also, you see I can also resize this if I basically touch this and simply hold and drag basically. So you see I can actually make this a bit taller essentially. Also, if I want to fully close any of these apps, I can basically slide like this all the way down, or again all the way down. So you see only this app essentially gets left in the running. Good luck.